Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send cryptocurrencies from your OKX to any other wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the OKX main application. From here all you have to do is go to your portfolio on the bottom right. And then from here, as you can see, you will see all the cryptocurrencies that you own or any of the cash. So you have all the main buttons on the bottom and all the main buttons on the top where you can see the deposit and the withdraw buttons. So you can either click on the withdraw from here, and then you're going to select whatever asset you would like. So from Bitcoin to Solana to any other one. Or you can go back and then select it from your bottom list right here and go to Solana. And then from here, you're going to go to convert or withdraw. Now from here, all you have to do after you click on withdraw, simply select whatever your currency. And then from here, go to exchange or address book. And then from here, once you click on exchange, you can now simply add whatever cryptocurrency or address that you would like from any other wallet. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.